Are you looking for better results from your self-tanner? If you are, stick around. I'm sharing some tips and techniques and also showing you how to apply a couple of different formulations. All of it is beginner friendly, so let's jump right into the first step. So the first step, you really want to spend some time exfoliating your skin. And starting with the face, I don't like to use anything harsh on my face, but I will use this by Paula's Choice. It's an exfoliator that is very gentle on the skin. And then I'll just follow that in the shower with my regular gentle cleanser. Then follow that by taking a body scrub, and it doesn't have to be anything expensive. I got this at the drugstore. It's like a little watermelon body scrub. It smells really good. But really focus on those areas where you don't want that product to build up, the self-tanner to build up and get patchy, like on the elbows, the tops of the hands, your chest, the tops of your feet, your knees. Really take some time and exfoliate those places really well. That's going to prevent the product from really building in these areas where we have maybe a little extra skin, some wrinkling. It's just really going to ensure that you get a good self-tan result. You could also use a brush like this and just with your regular body wash, hit those areas really well, just making sure you're exfoliating as much as you can prior to applying the self-tanner. Then when you get out of the shower, you do not want to put any moisturizer on your body, except take a tiny, tiny bit of your regular moisturizer and just lightly pat your elbows and your knees and maybe the tops of your feet. By doing that, it just prevents that and it won't allow excess tanner to get into those places. So I've got a couple of different self-tanners to show you today. I'm going to start off with face, and this is a product I've used for several years now. It is the Tanologist Face Drops. And what I like about this is that you mix it with your skincare. So in the morning or in the evening, whenever you're tanning, just take your regular facial moisturizer and you can put 2 to 12 drops depending on the level of tan that you want to achieve. Mix it in with your moisturizer, put it all over your face and your neck, making sure to hit each area. It's also non-comedogenic, it hydrates, it's highly customizable. It's a really, really nice product. And this starts to develop 1 to 4 hours after you put it on, and it looks like a really, really healthy glow. So the first tanner that I'm going to use is this Quick Tan. This is by Body Drench. And with all of these self-tanners, I'm using a mitt. Definitely use a mitt. And also, when you're done, make sure you wash your hands thoroughly. I like this Quick Tan because it's an instant tan. It's a spray formulation. If you're needing a tan quickly and you're wanting instant results, this is a really good option, and it does leave a really natural tan. So you can just spray, rub it in, let it dry for a minute, and you're good to go. You can put your clothes on and go on about your day. It's a quick drying formula. The next tanner I used was B.Tan, and this is called Tan AF. This is a very dark tanner. If you're looking to get that super, super intense dark color, this is your buddy. This one is a mousse formula, so again, use your mitt. It takes 1 hour to process, and you can leave it on longer if you want to achieve a darker tan. All of these suggest that you rinse off, not with soap, just with regular water, like 1 to 4 hours after you apply it. I never do that. I leave it on all day and then I rinse off at night. But just keep that in mind. If you want to control the level of your tan more, you might want to jump in the shower and rinse off after about an hour or so. This is vegan and cruelty-free. It has no smell. It dries quickly and you'll be ready to go. This is a good one. This is another one by B.Tan. This is B.Tan Forever and Ever. And the reason it's named that is it claims to last up to 11 days. And I have to tell you, it really does. Might not have lasted the complete 11 days on me, but it was really, really close. This is also vegan and cruelty-free. There's no smell to it, so you can put it on, get dressed, and go on about your day. This is a good one. One more thing I want to mention about this is that the mousse comes out kind of a greenish color. Don't let that be off-putting to you. It really does process into a nice natural looking tan. So just wanted to give you a heads up on that. If you bought it and you were kind of freaking out because it was green, I promise it doesn't turn you green, but it does look green when you first put it on. But like I said, it does process and come out nicely. The next one is the St. Tropez foam. This is very lightweight. It leaves a very natural looking tan. It's quick drying. It does not transfer onto your clothes. This one starts to develop in about 4 to 8 hours. This product is buildable, so you can put on multiple applications if you wish. One thing I will warn you about, this is scented. It's a pretty heavily scented, so if scents or fragrances bother you, this might not be the one for you, but it does leave a natural tan. If all of these sprays and foams are still a little too daunting to you, you can always go just with a regular lotion that you can pick up at the drugstore. This one is by Jergens. This is a really good one and it's foolproof. You can just put it on as you would your normal body lotion. I like to use it on the days that I'm not doing one of the mousses or the sprays. I feel like it makes my spray tan from this or my self tanner from one of these, I feel like it makes it last longer. If you're using this alone, it is very gradual. You can put it on daily and over time, you'll see a natural kind of color to your skin. So it does take a little bit longer, but if this is not your thing, I highly suggest this one. I use this one pretty much on a daily basis. So now that I'm covered in self tanner from head to toe, literally, I hope that this video brought you some value. And if you were curious about any of the ways to achieve that nice glow and self tan during the summer, I hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up. I hope you have a wonderful week and I can't wait to see you next time.